In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a commission queue using Trello. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. To get started, the first step is to create your commission board. So log into Trello and look for the option that says Create. Once you click that, select Create Board from the drop-down. It's essential to give your board a clear title. Something like Commission Queue or Client Commissions works perfectly. You can also customize the look by choosing a background image or color that reflects your personal branding. After you've made your choices, go ahead and click Create. Now that your board is set up, it's time to structure your workflow with lists. Create columns that represent each stage of your project workflow. A good framework might include lists like Inquiries, Confirmed, In Progress, Waiting on Client, Ready for Delivery, and Completed. This setup helps you visualize your projects as they transition from an initial request to the final delivery stage. With your lists in place, let's move on to adding individual commission cards. In the Inquiries list, you'll want to click Add a Card and enter the client's name followed by the project title. For example, you might name your card Sarah, Portrait Illustration. Once you create the card, click on it to open it up and fill the description box with specifics like the size, format, any reference links, and the pricing. This will help you keep all related details in one easy-to-access spot. Next, let's enhance your organization with labels and dates. Click on Labels inside the card to create color-coded tags. These could be categories like Paid, Urgent, or Revision Needed. This will give you a quick visual overview of your workload. Now, while you're at it, click on Dates to set a final delivery deadline. You can also add a reminder so that Trello will notify you as the due date approaches, helping you keep track of important timelines. To further manage your projects, you can track your progress with checklists. Within a card, click on the Checklist option to create a step-by-step task list. For instance, you might include items like sketch, line art, coloring, and final review. Checking these off as you complete tasks ensures a consistent workflow for every client and keeps you accountable. Since you now have a structure in place and some tasks defined, let's talk about how to manage your pipeline effectively. As you complete different stages of your projects, simply drag and drop the card from one list to another, like moving a card from Confirmed to In Progress. This gives you a real-time sense of how your projects are advancing. For those wanting to take their Trello board to the next level, I recommend exploring Butler automation at the top of the board. This nifty tool allows you to set up rules that automate certain actions. For example, you could create an automation that adds a checklist automatically when a card is moved to the In Progress list. This can save you time and help maintain your workflow without missing any crucial steps. And there you have it. That's how you can effectively set up a commission queue using Trello. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.